guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be using these short round nails that I will shape into a square shape just because these are the smaller side ones, and these are the sets that my client wanted from my page. She specifically liked these colors, these tones. She said as close as possible would be great. So that is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Madam Glam base coat on this, one thin layer in all the nails after I prep them. So I file them, I buff them, and I shape them. So these specific nail tips, they're round and they run a little bit smaller than all my other nails that I have, and most if not all my clients like very simple, clean, short nails, and these fit her. So I brought my whole case so that she can try on every single style size that I have until the one she likes fits her just right. So that is what I chose. And if you get any rose gold color, get this one from the gel bottle. I know the bottle is a hot mess, but this color is stunning. I'm about to be done with this color and I'm gonna reorder, and I'm definitely gonna stock up on this specific color. Now the first layer that I do on the nail tips, I don't get it on camera. I forget to turn the camera back on. So I'm just showing you here how amazing it applies. You honestly only need one layer of this for it to just fully coat the nail, and just the bling on that is so stunning. It's so much better in person. It is such a beautiful rose gold, shiny. It's for every holiday, honestly. So this is the second layer that I'm doing here. I do 2 layers of all the glitters and all the colors, even if they don't need it, just because it gives it a lot more sturdiness as well. One of the biggest compliments I've gotten from my nail tips is that they are very sturdy, they are strong, and they don't break easily. So I always try to make sure I do 2 colors of layer unless the color is very thin and see-through. And then I do a top coat from igel Beauty. It's one of my favorite top coats and it's very affordable. So I do 2 layers of the top coat for this specific glitter. And you just want to always work in very, very thin layers because this can become very bulky and look like it's not natural at all on their nails. So you want to make it look as natural. This is I Am Blushing from igel Beauty. If you do get a color from them, it's this one. I know I keep recommending, but these are honestly my 2 favorite colors. The one from igel Beauty, the rose gold, and this one, I Am Blushing from igel Beauty. They're both amazing colors. They're literally, you can use them for any occasion. You know, Valentine's Day, weddings, Christmas, honestly, any color, but those are my go-to. I did have a previous video of a little purchase that I made from igel Beauty, and I bought like 3 of the I Am Blushing because I needed them for backups because I run through them so fast. And this is the other color I am using. I do show you the bottle. This specific bottle I think I got from AliExpress if I am correct, and it is a beautiful also mauve tone pink. It's really pretty. I'm definitely going to reorder from that. I just can't remember exactly who is the buyer because I only buy from certain buyers because it's very hard. I've done my buying and purchasing and then having to return or cancel. It's just a hot mess to try to test out who has like the best products. But I do top coat them with 2 top coat layers to secure them and to accomplish and finish this set. Like I said, these are going to be a little bit more on the simple side, but they are so pretty and they're easy. So if you want to do something similar in your own nails, it's very possible. You just apply the press on nails, and I highly recommend to do it with a gel base so that way it can really adhere and stick strong. Now these are the thumb fingers, and I'm going to be using the I Am Blushing. So for this one I did add some snowflakes. She didn't specifically say she wanted snowflakes, but she did say she was going to wear these for Christmas, so I thought it would be a really pretty surprise to just do some really nice white clean snowflakes on there with the little design on them, because I think she would really like it. It's an extra pop. It's not too crazy Christmassy, but it will also go with her style. So, and she did love them. She was very surprised that I did that. She was like, I didn't even think about it, where I could still be Christmas but still be very simple. So I apply just stickers. You can always hand do these. You can definitely take your time and paint them. I can definitely do it, but I just have a handful of orders right now that I'm trying to get through, and this was just an extra detail that I added. If a customer specifically wanted it hand painted, I would definitely take my time and do that, but this one was just an extra little detail that I did. These are very simple. They're very, very thin stickers, and they work really great. I did also get these from AliExpress. If I can remember where the link is at, I will definitely pop it on there. I purchased a lot of Christmas stickers, a lot of Halloween ones, and all of them that I purchased are more on the thin side, so they're really great to encapsulate inside the nails, as long as you use a really nice thick gel top coat to fully adhere and seal them so that they don't poke out or pop out by any chance. Here I'm just matching making sure I'm using the right size snowflake for the other nail so that they can be as close as possible. I am done with these. I just am using the igel Beauty. I forget the name of it. I will link it on here or put it on there. It is their thicker gel. It is the one that's used to apply the press-on nails and to adhere them. This works amazing for stickers, for anything you're trying to encapsulate in between the nails. Especially if you're doing like just a gel manicure or just gel nails. And I'm going to be using these nail sticker tapes, and these are great if you do not have the patience to sit there and draw the lines perfectly straight, if you do not have the right brushes, if you just don't want to sit there and do that. Especially the holographics or the really cool design ones come out really amazing on these, and you can do so much with these. So I just apply them. I do clean the nails with alcohol and a lint-free wipe so that, to make sure that nothing is on there in between the tape, so that way the tape adheres perfectly well to the nail, and you just create any type of designs you want. Just remember that you're gonna have to do the same one on the other nail, unless it's gonna be completely different nail styles and designs. That's totally fine as well. And I'm just using a nipper to cut it. I find it a lot easier to use a nipper and just cut directly where you want it and how you want it. And then I'm going to be using the holographic tape as well and just doing kind of an outline. I did do it by hand on the previous nail that you saw, the picture that she got inspired by. I did do that by hand, but I just remember that I got the holographic pink one in tape, and I was like, perfect, I can just use it because I already had the white one. I just didn't have a holographic one. They have different measurements too. If you go to AliExpress, Amazon, honestly a bunch of nail shops too, they have different thickness of them so that you don't have to sit there and do all the lines and layers if you really don't want to. Especially if you're doing this on your own hands, it's probably a lot easier to use something like this that saves you time and energy, unless you find a lot of peace and a lot of comfort in sitting there and actually doing it by hand. Here I was just trying to see if I wanted it to be on the inside or the outside. I felt like the outside looked a lot better, and I'm going to be doing this for both hands. Then I'm going to cut out all the excess nail tape, and I'm going to be using that top coat I was telling you guys about to seal it, and then just using one layer of just regular no cleanse top coat after that one, and these will be done as well. these are going to be the pinky, so I go on with a deeper mauve pinky tone color, and I'm going to do these in this color. I was so tempted to just put crystals and add glitter and just add a bunch of stuff, but she's like, please, please don't don't add any extraness. So I'm like, okay, I'll do that to my nails. I'll go crazy with my nails when I do my Christmas nails. It's been taking time, but I will eventually get to my nails. I have a few more orders to get through. I have not taken video and pictures of all the nail orders that I have. That is one thing I'm trying to remember to do, but I do like to get them done and shipped to get them in time for my clients. So that is why it's taking me a while. That's why I haven't been able to record and things like that. But I was able to remember on this one, and on the next video you'll see. So stay tuned, you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.